Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0420, indicates a problem with the catalyst system's efficiency, specifically below a predefined threshold. This code is associated with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and signifies that a fault has been detected in the catalytic converter's operation. The catalytic converter is an essential component of the vehicle's exhaust system, responsible for converting harmful exhaust gases into less toxic emissions. In the Honda Accord from 2017 to 2023, the catalytic converter is located underneath the vehicle, integrated into the exhaust system, positioned downstream of the engine's exhaust manifold. When the PCM identifies an issue with the catalyst's efficiency, it triggers this trouble code. It's crucial to address this code promptly, as it can lead to increased emissions and potential engine damage if not resolved, emphasizing the importance of maintaining the vehicle's exhaust system. Understanding the implications of this error is vital for proper diagnosis and repair. The DTC P0420 specifically points to a decrease in the efficiency of the catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is vital for minimizing harmful emissions by converting them into less harmful substances before they exit the exhaust system. Positioned between the exhaust manifold and the muffler, it plays a significant role in the vehicle's emission control system. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, continuously monitors the performance of the catalytic converter through input from upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. If the PCM detects that the converted emissions do not meet the necessary efficiency standards, it triggers the DTC P0420. A drop in efficiency can be caused by various factors, including physical damage, contamination, or degradation over time. Therefore, correctly identifying the root cause of this issue is crucial to restore the vehicle's emission performance and ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Several possible causes can lead to the triggering of the DTC P0420. The first consideration is a faulty catalytic converter, which can lose its ability to convert harmful gases due to physical damage or internal failure. Additionally, issues with the oxygen sensors, specifically the secondary heated oxygen sensor, HO2S, can affect the readings that the PCM uses to evaluate the catalytic converter's performance. Misfire events indicated by other DTCs, like P0300 to P0304, can lead to unburned fuel entering the catalytic converter, potentially damaging it. Furthermore, poor quality fuel may result in deposits forming on the catalyst, leading to reduced efficiency. It is important to eliminate these possibilities in a logical order, as they could also cause the DTC to remain active intermittently if not addressed in sequence. When the DTC P0420 is active, drivers may notice several symptoms indicating a problem with the catalytic converter. The most immediate indicator is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue requiring attention. Alongside this, drivers might experience a decrease in engine performance, noticeable as sluggish acceleration or hesitation during driving. Furthermore, there can be an increase in fuel consumption due to incomplete combustion or the engine working harder to compensate for the reduced efficiency of the exhaust system. In some instances, rough idling may also occur, leading to an inconsistent engine running condition. Each of these symptoms can significantly affect the driving experience and indicate the urgency of diagnosing the underlying issue related to the catalytic converter. The first troubleshooting step begins by turning the vehicle ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the diagnostic tool, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to communicate with the vehicle's onboard computer systems. Next, clear the DTC using the functions of the HDS. Once cleared, Start the engine and hold the speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without applying any load, which means the vehicle should be in either park or neutral for continuously variable transmission, CVT, or neutral for manual transmission, MT. This step is crucial as it helps the PCM gather necessary information regarding the exhaust system's performance. After holding the speed until the radiator fan activates, allow the engine to idle. Following this, execute a test drive under specific conditions, including ensuring the engine coolant reaches over 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintaining a vehicle speed between 45 to 75 miles per hour and using cruise control to monitor performance at consistent speeds. This comprehensive approach ensures that all variables affecting the catalyst efficiency are considered. For the second troubleshooting step, continue the test drive until a definitive result appears on the HDS. The ongoing monitoring of the onboard diagnostics, OBD, status for DTC P0420 is crucial during this phase to assess the performance of the catalytic system in real time. If the HDS indicates a failed status after this test, it signifies a confirmed issue with the catalytic converter, warranting its replacement. If the HDS shows that the system is executing or passes the test, the vehicle may be experiencing an intermittent failure, meaning it may only display the error under specific conditions. If a snapshot of the onboard data at the time of the DTC occurrence is available, attempting to replicate the situation while monitoring the conditions provides invaluable insights. In the case where the HDS indicates out of condition, ensuring to meet all testing parameters is essential for an accurate diagnostic conclusion. Upon completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0420, confirming the effectiveness of these repairs is essential. Start by clearing all DTCs from the vehicle's computer using the HDS, ensuring that the prior errors no longer populate the diagnostic menu. Following this, conduct a thorough test drive in conditions similar to those that previously triggered the trouble code. Monitor the vehicle's performance and the HDS diagnostics for any reappearance of the P0420 code or any related errors. It's essential to assess whether the catalytic converter functions correctly following replacement or repair, to ensure no further issues persist. This final verification step is crucial. It reinforces the importance of maintaining vehicle integrity and compliance with emissions regulations, providing peace of mind for both the mechanic and the vehicle owner. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0420, implementing a regime of regular preventive maintenance is essential. First, always use high-quality fuel that meets the specifications required for the vehicle, as inferior fuel can lead to deposits that harm the catalytic converter. Scheduling regular engine checks allows for early identification of potential issues such as misfires or oxygen sensor failures that could ultimately impact the catalytic system's functionality. Additionally, consistently monitoring the performance of the oxygen sensors, especially the secondary HO2S, is a proactive measure. Ensuring these sensors are functioning optimally can help maintain efficient operation and adherence to emission standards. Finally, routinely reviewing and replacing engine air filters, spark plugs, and fuel injectors can further support the overall health of the vehicle's engine and emission system. In summary, understanding the implications of DTC P0420, which highlights issues with the catalytic converter's efficiency, is essential for vehicle maintenance. The systematic troubleshooting steps outlined are critical for diagnosing and resolving this error effectively while addressing potential underlying problems. By thoroughly assessing component performance, from the catalytic converter to the oxygen sensors, a technician can achieve optimal results. Additionally, proactive preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of encountering this DTC in the future, ensuring that your Honda Accord remains compliant with emissions regulations and continues to perform efficiently. Ultimately, familiarity with how to address these issues not only helps in maintaining vehicle performance, but also contributes to a cleaner environment by ensuring that emissions remain within acceptable limits. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.